So today we're going to talk about doing math with numbers in scientific notation. And first up is multiplying and dividing. So to multiply numbers in scientific notation, all you have to do is multiply the coefficients and then add the exponents. It's actually pretty simple. So here's an example question. 3.0 times 10 to the 4 times 2.0 times 10 to the 2. Okay, so I want to multiply those coefficients together, 3.0 and 2.0. And then I want to take those exponents, 10 to the 4 and 10 to the 2, and add them. So I'm going to write times 10 and then 4 plus 2. So 3 times 2, of course, is 6, and times 10 raised to the 4 plus 2, which of course is also 6. So my answer is 6 times 10 to the 6. Next is dividing numbers in scientific notation. So to do this, all you have to do is divide the coefficients and then subtract the exponents. Okay, you always want to subtract the numerator from the denominator. Okay, so here is my example question, 3.0 times 10 to the 4 and 2.0 times 10 to the 2. Same numbers here, so I'm just going to divide the 3 and the 2. And I'm going to times 10 that by the subtraction of the exponents, just 4 minus 2. So 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, and 4 minus 2 is 2, so my answer is 1.5 times 10 to the 2. All right, you do this next one on your own. When you're ready, unpause the video and I'll show you how to answer it. Okay, so we are going to divide 8.4 by 4.7, and we're going to subtract our exponents. So we're going to have negative 3 subtracted from 4. So this gets a little tricky when we are subtracting negative exponents. You need to remember how to do this. So we want to change that negative into a positive, and then change the 4 into a negative 4. So 8.4 divided by 4.7 is 1.8, and negative 3 plus a negative 4 is a negative 7. Okay, so let's summarize what we've learned so far here. When we multiply numbers in scientific notation, you just multiply the coefficients and add the exponents. To divide numbers in scientific notation, you divide the coefficients and then subtract the exponents. You need to be careful when you are subtracting negative numbers and make sure you do it correctly. That's it for this video, and if you need any help or have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.